Hello and welcome to Laka Patterns. Today we're gonna learn how to make this so cute Faux fair shoulder bag. Patterns you will find below in the description. So let's do it! Cut out the lining pieces and don't forget to mark all notches. It is very important. Together, pin it, sew these lines. Seam allowance is 1 centimeter. Now do the same, just in the middle you need to leave a gap. Same details of Faux fair. Before pinning these details, check that your fair base and side details direction is going the same. Do the same as with lining, just don't need to leave a gap now. Together with good sides. Now prepare your back button. I use thick cardboard. Match and pin the seams. This line. Now can be what you have one longer piece. Don't worry, later we will fix it. Just pin side seams now. Now we need to add 2 strips. Of the strip must be inside, ends match the seam. fasten it with a seam. And now sew along this line. Now we're gonna fix this line. If your line is straight, then just cut off the excess. If your line is like mine, mark points in the same measurements and join it with a straight line. Pin this line and sew it. Don't cut it yet. Now we will check, is it really good? Turn it out from the gap. If you see what everything is perfect, we can finish it. If your bag looks not very good, you need to fix it to the straight line again. Cut the excess. Turn it out. Take inside your button. Sew up the gap. Fold sides in half and sew a bit in this place. And if you want, you can add metal snap. That's it.